విజయవాడలో జరుగుతున్న రాష్ట్ర స్థాయి బ్యాంకర్ల సమావేశంలో ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Then automatically we will know where we have to focus. This year we have fixed minimum 15% growth rate. Each sector we have decided how to grow. Our people are focusing on that. Now I am requesting bankers also to synchronize with our growth and also economic activity and our social activity and overall well-being. Then it is a win-win situation. All these years we are doing general exercise. Only wherever we have to spend some money, we are spending. Now, not even one issue, I am telling you everything. Pensions, it is online. You know what it is. As on today, 95% I have distributed pensions. Not even one pension bogus. E-Pass. It is very clear, real time, E-Pass through essential commodities. Now I am requesting you, your bank and my planning department and revenue and agriculture, all these departments has to synchronize all transactions for that matter. You are giving money for 5 acres, you are giving some X crop. If you go to field, you have to cultivate the crop. That is where I am asking you. Then only generosity will come. Totally those who need money, they will avail and ultimately will get excellent benefits. Now Krishna, we are going job, we are implementing. Now we have to join us, all districts. Is there any reservations to go for job? It will be number one district, state in the country itself where we are using JAM. Now what I am doing very scientific way, I am giving as on today power security, 100%, every house I connected. Surplus power we are generating. Nobody can say we don't have power connection or power problem. Even voltage, everything, international standards I want to give. That is one project I am working. That is already this year I want to give 100% gas connections to all families. That is another. I want to give water security for agriculture, for industry, for drinking. 3 years time I want to give water to every home. Focus approach I want to take. Cement roads by doing all this convergence. Last year 4,000 kilometers we have laid in the villages. This year 5,000 kilometers we are doing. Another 3-4 years I want to complete total cement roads. Even we are having SC, ST, BC, minority, Kapu, Brahmin corporations. Some money we are creating, earmarking for economic activity. They have to earn money, but it is not doing well. That is very clear. Even bankers, we are thinking differently, we are thinking differently. Finally, there is a mismatch. Only it is on paper. It is not on productivity. Again, what is going to happen? It is only a consumption loan. If you do consumption loan more and more, what is the benefit? That is where I am asking. We are creating 175 places, excellent industrial townships. All constituency headquarters I can create. There we can launch with technologies, small scale and also cottage, micro enterprise. And then marketing we will work it out, technology will work it out. And then better livelihood. Suppose I am giving you one example. We are giving dairy or we are giving X amount for other activity. It is not viable, they are not doing. If you give for dairy, milk is an organized sector. People are there to go and purchase milk at a doorstep. If I can create fodder at doorstep, 50% subsidy, silage and also green fodder, we will provide to his animal to at home by giving 50% subsidy. So another thing, hydroponics or azola, they will develop. Even concentrate feed, if necessary, I will give. Doctors I will provide. Water is available. Then automatically it is viable. Now we are having one association with the American University where a female breed they can promote in a big way with multiplier effect. We are having a MOU now, we are working with them. Then automatically yesterday one woman told me, Dakra woman, she is having 2 sons. They have studied, they got job. Husband is having 2 acres of land. He is doing agriculture and taking 4 acres on lease. He is cultivating. And she is having 10 animals, buffaloes. She is doing milk business. She is earning more money compared to her sons and husband. Very proud, 40,000 rupees a month. That is the situation I want to create. If I can create machine milking very easily, and also what you have to understand now, India is also moving in a direction. If you go to America, all services are structured, well organized. If you are having any problem, you can use your phone, door delivery. Automatically anything will come, even food or any item for that matter. You pay price, everything come. And at the same time it is cost effective because totally organized sector. Now I wanted to go through that exercise in the rural area. We are having that type of advantages. Either self-employment, every activity. Government will facilitate, government will coordinate, will give programs. Now I am requesting bankers also have to join together for bringing best practices and technology. Today, that is what yesterday also I told to the press. Technology is a good friend of mine that is helping me, not others. Best practice are my well-wishers. If you see one best practice I have done, convergence of funds. With one simple idea, I was able to construct nearly 4,000 kilometers of cement roads, now 5,000 kilometers. And also all village infrastructure I am concentrating, school buildings, panchayat buildings, everything. And also I am constructing nearly 10 lakh farm ponds. There again, capacity and also willing to do. That is the biggest problem we are facing, skill. But I am confident we will push things. Then another best practice if we see, through electrical poles, you are also party for that, fiber. It is only 332 crores. Original estimate 5,000 crores, 7% of money. India needs this type of best practices. That is what I wanted to request all of you. Even yesterday, PM in USA, he has given a very good impact. He created a very good impact. But world is watching us. How to move very fast. Only the country where we can move, we can grow double digit, only India. Now India will grow double digit, I want to grow 50% more. That is what we have to plan it. For that, I need all scientific approaches. Now you have to tell me how to link this. If you see again here, what is the industry? How much money you are giving? What is the activity, both small scale, all these things. Fishing also I told you. Industry sector if you see 1,21,000, now we are planning 1,39,000, 15% growth rate. In this, construction, manufacturing, minor minerals, electricity, gas, everything, major minerals. Here, SMEs, all these things, how much money you are giving, you have to sit with our, this one. We have to revive and continuously guide our people not to create non-performing assets.
Yeah.
There also you have to work it out, and then you have to get results. What I am saying, make non-performing or defund, it will be very costly. By spending 10% or 20%, 25%, if you create a performing asset, then it is worthwhile. Now we have done, all my lift irrigation schemes are defunded. I am spending 400 crores or 450 crores. I am going to get additional cut of nearly 6 lakhs or 6.5 lakh acres. By spending 200 crores, I want to rectify all defects in drinking water schemes. That also have started. Everywhere now, technology, how it is working, you have to analyze. I asked my people and also Dhaka women and also our field staff to get geotag of all assets available in the village.